Information Technology Networking. The IT Networking program prepares students for exciting jobs in the computer networking industry. In this program, you will focus on becoming familiar with how software and operating systems function. You will learn hands-on how to build and repair computer systems and how to configure components of a computer network in a state-of-the-art lab. Innovative technology and applications are used to make your experience interesting and exciting. Upon completion of the course, students are prepared for certification exams that will give them the technical certifications needed for employment. For high-achieving students, the IT networking program is also offered within the Technical Academy. The Technical Academy is a partnership with Reading Area Community College and Bloomsburg University. The partnership allows high school students the opportunity to earn college credits toward a college degree while still in high school. Some career paths that students may pursue include becoming a network systems and data analyst, computer support specialist, and network administrator. Additional education can lead to more opportunities in the networking and information technology fields.